What is good, Steezy Nation? It's your boy Steezy back with another YouTube video for y'all. Dang, let's get it. What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Steezy Nation back with another YouTube video for y'all today. Got my boy No Folks Lost and NFL trade, whatever you want to call him. He's here again today. You know what I'm saying? We're about to do another reaction video today. This time, we're about to do a reaction video to Lil Tracy and Lil Raven YAYO. It's a boat diss. I don't know if we're talking about Yachty, whoever. You know what I'm saying? It might be Yachty.
They probably talking about Yachty. I'm gonna take notes, you know me. Take notes about what this shit about. Probably trash. And if Lil Bo make a diss song back, you know he a lyricist low key, so
it only got like, and this song been out for a year now, and I see only had like 40 to 50 something K views. So we about to see what this here for. You already know the gang is, man. Steezy Nation and no gang. Stay tuned, subscribe to the nation. You just get it, man. That way. Tracy, Raven. He like I thought his knee. I thought his knee had a full of blood. Hey. It's kind of cool. Somebody gotta run that bit like for real. Oh, dirty ass Nikes. I like it. I like the beat. This Lil Raven rapping first? It gotta be. Hey. Hey, y'all let me know if this was a diss on Lil Yachty or not, you know what I'm saying? To just confirm that for me. Yo. I bet she come back like a yo-yo. I bet she come back like a yo-yo.
Oh, he sound like a little baby. Hey.
Huh? What? Huh? What? Sipping on that. Oh. Yeah. Huh? Million. Oh. Hey. Why did they say only hit 50K views or 40 something?
Tracy put cool.
They should have put it on a better platform.
Yeah, Trap Daily not no really known, please. I never heard of Trap Daily.
I know I have. Yo. Bet she come back like a yo-yo. Who's up, man?
I don't think I heard the song right.
I mean, probably my first time get it full, you know, yeah. But I like the beat. I like how I think that was Lil Tracy that came in second, or the Raven, one of them, whoever just came in. That second verse, it was nice. You know what I'm saying? I fuck with that.
Where was the diss at?
The beat was fire, and I don't see that. That's what I'm saying. That's why I need to find out who was dissing who. You know what I'm saying? Who the diss was about.
And we beefing over bitches now? That's what we doing?
So I can know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know in the comment section below, please. Like, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm lost, but I like the song, the beat stuff. You know what I'm saying?
She gonna come back like a yo-yo.
She gonna come back like a yo-yo.
She gonna put it on the low.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Nah, she ain't gonna put it on the low. She gonna keep it on the low. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, she gonna keep it on the low. Yeah. She ain't tell me she had a man.
I'm hitting up from that back. I'm eating that cat. She got some. He nigga said I'm trying to make millions.
So he fucked the boat girl, and then dude wanted to, beef over like he did with Soulja Boy on some shit.
Yeah, that shit crazy, bro. But I fuck with it, man. Y'all like this, man. Subscribe to the nation. Comment down, like this video, my bro. You already know the gang is. Hey, roll to 10K, man. Subscribe to the nation. Let's get it, man.
Real free. My bitch 2 foreign in the visa.